Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to talk about the Monad Testnet, okay? And specifically, I want to focus on how to join Monad Testnet, Monad Airdrop guide, right? So there is a thing which is now currently ongoing, okay? And you can actually apply and you can get, some Monad Airdrop, all right? So there are a few sources out there already on the internet where it shows you how to do it. Okay, I just in a very short video, I just want to show you, okay, how to do it. So which website you might want to use, to get free faucets, on a daily basis, and also how to what tasks should you perform to actually get those airdrops. All right. So okay, guys. So Monad has officially launched its testnet. Okay, opening up opportunities for community members to earn through potential airdrops. So let's explore participate in the Monad airdrop. Okay, so Monad airdrop, right? So how you can join it? Okay, there are a few options. Okay, how you can join? Add Monad testnet to Keyring Pro Wallet. Each website you go into, okay, have their own ways to actually go. You actually go and actually start. Either to add it, how to actually claim those airdrops, how to add the faucets, and so on and so forth. Okay, so for example, I picked a random website, random articles. Okay, that's the way how actually they prefer to do it. All right. So, but when it comes to, I'm just short guy. I'm going to present to you. Okay. So first of all, you can go ahead and start using those, for example, the testnet .mona.xyz. Okay, to get a free faucet. Okay, so that's the way one way you actually can go and get it on. Okay, so. Guys, before I will start, I just have to mention that this is not a financial advice. Whatever I say here in this video is only for entertainment and educational purposes. All crypto is very risky. Do your own research, okay? So let's go back into the topic, okay? So welcome to Monad Testnet, okay? You can go officially to the Monad and you can apply for this free faucet, okay? The other thing where you can actually go ahead and start using is this app. Mozy, okay, Mozy Finance. Okay, once you start, you need to log in with your Telegram. You have to put your telephone number, okay, to get inside the Mozy Finance, and you can also start using their faucets, okay, to claim the Monad airdrop. Okay, the other way you actually can go and start using it, and you can start you can get a Monad testnet faucet, okay, is by using the gas.zip, okay, /faucet/monad. Okay, so what you are doing here, okay, every 6 hours you will get 0.25 monad, okay, and what you have to do is address must meet one of the following, okay, 10 gas.zip inbound transactions, so you have to do small transactions, okay, and 0.013337 plus it as of the 19th of February 2025. Okay, so that was a few days ago. Okay, so now it's about $20 you have to have here. Okay, and do some transactions on it. You receive every 6 hours this 0.25 mon into your faucet, right? So the other way is actually you can go through this thirdweb.com hyphen testnet. Okay, that's also where you can go. You just need to go and connect your wallet. You got yourself a Monad testnet faucet, okay? But get free Monad fast and reliability 0.01 Monad a day, right? That's what you're gonna get by using this third web, right? The other option is you can go and use a priori, okay? That's another way of actually doing getting this faucet, okay? It's by using a priori, okay? By using a priori, you can go to faucets, okay, but to start you get into faucets, okay, for free, you just need to have at least $20 worth of the ETH, actually, roughly, okay, on this a priori app, so before you can start getting this free faucet, right? So now, once we cover this, okay, I just want to quickly show you what you need to do to actually apply for to get those airdrops, okay? So for example, you can start using the Pancake Swap, okay, and do some small, tiny transactions on the Pancake Swap, okay, from Mona to USDC and back forth, okay, tiny transactions, just to do some, airdrop out of that, right? It's all about the transactions, okay? So if there is some sort of transactions, doesn't have to be very large ones, and once you get this, you'll be actually going back and forth, and then, you can earn some airdrops by doing so. The other way, if you go to mona.nbn.finance, okay, that's also where you go, connect your wallet. You can also do some tiny transactions on that one, on that platform, and you also be eligible for some airdrops, okay? Same here. You can use Kinsu, okay, Kinsu.xyz, right? And you can also start using by connecting your wallet, okay, doing some tiny transactions, like really tiny transactions. I'm talking like 0.001, okay, for example, of more that, and you just by doing those tiny transactions, you will be able to receive some of the airdrops, right? The other way you actually go and get some airdrops is by using those pump, for example, mona.corvens.com, okay, and / monad, okay. You'll be doing here, you just be doing some simple tasks here, okay, like for example, clicking that button here, pump, and you'll be getting those levels. And once you receive some levels, the maximum levels, you'll be awarded some airdrops from Mora. That's the other way of doing that. Okay, the last one I want to share with you guys is this testnet.app.zaros.fi. Okay, and you need to connect your wallet, and you need to perform some very tiny transactions on this platform to actually be eligible for the airdrop from Monad. Okay, so guys, do remember that all of this requires you guys to be consistent, right? So if you want to get those monad airdrops, you need to be consistent. So you need to do those type of things, very regularly, day after day after day, okay, to be eligible for those airdrops. And you also once you get those faucets, and you start doing those tiny tasks on a daily basis, you'll be eligible for those faucets, for those Monad airdrops. Okay, so I think that's all what I want to cover in this video, guys. Any questions, leave it down below. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. All risk is all crypto is very risky, so you do your own research. If you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.